Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add payment method on PlayStation. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. To add payment method on PlayStation, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.playstation.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to PlayStation's website. Now here you need to select your country or your region. Click on the country or region that you belong in. With that, you'll be guided to the main website of PlayStation. Now make sure that you are logged into your PlayStation account. After logging in, here you can see your avatar at top right section of the website. Click on your PlayStation's avatar, then click on account settings at second. Now here you can see your information at first. Now click on payment method at the left side. Now here click on continue to go to another page. With that, here you can see the payment methods adding box on the right side. Here you can add payment method or you can add your funds. Click on add payment method. Then here you can see two options, that is add a debit or credit card or add a PayPal account. I am choosing credit or debit card. Now here you need to first enter your debit or credit card number. Then here you can select the credit or debit card type by clicking on the given box. After doing so, enter your cardholder's name on the given box. With that, enter or select your expiration date. First, select your month of expiration, then select the year in which your card will be expired. With that, enter your CVV on the given box. After entering all your credentials, click on Next. Now here you need to provide your address. Click on the address line 1 box and enter your address. Address line 2 and 3 are optional. Then click on city box and enter the city that you belong in. With that, select your state by clicking on state box or the downside icon. Now enter your postal code on the given box. With that, select your country or region by clicking on the given box. After entering all your credentials, click on Save Add Down. With that, you'll be able to add payment method on PlayStation. This is how we can add payment method on PlayStation. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.